Okay, so we are going to start on day 29. We're going to leave our views on for now and go straight to our front view. We're going to do a sketch and we are just going to do an L block for right now. So I'm going to click on my line tool and I'm going to come here, bring it down, over, up, over, up, and over. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to, we need to dimension. So I'm going to click here. That's going to be 3. This, let me double check my numbers. Okay, this is going to be 2.5. This is going to be 1.5. This is going to be 1. And one more. This one, we want 1.5. Enter. There we go. Perfect. Okay, check mark. I'm going to extrude this 2 inches. Perfect. And then I'm going to turn off all my extra views. And I have this L-shaped block. Okay, so now we're going to come to our top. And I'm going to click on not the one on the left, but the one on the right. And I'm going to click View Normal to, right click on it, View Normal to at the bottom. I'm going to sketch on this plane. I'm going to put a circle towards the center, but we will dimension to make it perfect. Click on my dimension tool. My circle is going to be 1. I'm going to click on my center point to out here. That will be 0.75. And then the distance from the center point to here is going to be 1. So it's nice and centered. Perfect. Okay, so we are going to click check mark. And then, so now we're going to extrude. We're going to click on this circle. So normally when we extrude, it adds onto it, makes bigger. But if we go over here to remove, I can see that it's cut out a hole. Now with this right now, it hasn't gone all the way through because I haven't pulled it all the way down. But I'm going to pull it all the way down to make sure that it makes a hole all the way through. Hold on. Oops, clicked on way too many things. There we go. So perfect. So we want an extrude to go through that spot. Okay, so now we're going to use our mirror tool to make this exact same thing connected to it. So we're going to click on mirror, and at first it wants us to pick what we're going to mirror. So I'm going to click on my part 1 that I'm going to mirror, and then I need to pick my mirror plane. So I'm going to turn my shape and I'm going to click right here. And as you can see, it mirrors my shape on both sides and it's connected. So at this point right now, it's at add. If I hit check mark, it's going to make it 1 part, okay? But if I go back to mirror and I click to edit and I choose new, it gives me a part 2 and I have 2 separate parts, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to hit check mark. Okay, so if I go and edit part 1 right now, so if I go and edit and I change the appearance of it, it's going to do both parts because part 1 was made first and part 2 is getting mirrored off of part 1. But if I go to part 2 and I edit its appearance and I change it to a different color, it will be different than part 2 because of the way we made it following the sequence. So like this, I want you to take a picture where it looks like this, and I want you to upload this. So that's going to be your first upload. Now we're going to do a second one. So in addition, what I just want to show you guys like how mirror works. If I were to go to my extrude and edit the extrude and I changed it to an add, oh wait, flip it the other way. There we go. It made it an add. When I hit check mark, that's going to happen to the same thing to my other shape, okay? Because it is mirrored off of part 2. But instead, if I made this extrude 2 and I made it a new part, when I hit check mark, we don't see it on the second one because it's not mirrored. It's only mirroring the purple shape. So take a screenshot of this and upload that. What I could do then for my mirror, if we wanted all 3 parts, if I edited the mirror 1 and I clicked also on this part right here, it would add it over there for my mirror and I would have it on both sides. So take a screenshot of this as well. So you have 3 screenshots to upload to kind of show how the mirroring and all of that works. Hope this makes sense. And all the different things you can do with mirroring, extruding, and all of that jazz. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.